Welcome to your Canvas course for Basic Query Manager. Your course content is displayed in a variety of ways. You can navigate through the course content by either using the links in this left-hand side column or using the buttons located at the bottom of the page here. It's your responsibility to read the information that's shared with you. The information is broken up into different modules, and the first module gives you an introduction to Basic Query Manager, including some important information about your responsibilities as a user. You can navigate through the content by selecting the Next button, or if you think you've missed something, you can select the Previous button. Again, it's your responsibility to go through the content and read and learn so you can understand how you're going to use Query Manager reporting tools. You do need to get through all of the modules. The first module, again, focuses on course information and how to navigate. The second module is getting familiar with the terminology. The third module is where you will start to actually participate in the test environment and start to build your very first query. In it, each module has a visual aid of how to create the query, and then a video that gives you step-by-step demonstration of what that looks like. As an assignment, you will then go into the test environment with your login credentials, and you will create your own query. There is an assignment for each of the modules, and the first one is starting off with creating a new one. Your second competency will be to edit an existing query. Then you will have an edit an existing query with the criteria of adding prompts. And then your final competency will be to join records. Once you have reviewed the content, utilized the visual aid to give you step-by-step instructions, and you've completed these tasks, you may find that you're ready to actually take the quiz. You'll find the quiz available for you to take, where you will answer the questions that are provided. When you begin to take the quiz, you want to make sure that you answer the questions correctly, read each question carefully, but also note that they come in a variety of forms. It may be a select one, it could be a fill in the blank, or it may ask you to complete the activity outside of the Canvas system. For example, you may be asked to create a query or write a query and save the query in the test environment for the query access group to review. If you have questions related to taking the quiz, you can always contact the ITS Training Help Desk for assistance. Once you have completed the quiz, the query access group will review your response, and from that point it will be determined whether or not you will receive approval to have query manager rights in the production site. Remember, at any time you can get back to the beginning by selecting Home, and from there, again, you can navigate and get to where you need to in the course. Modules will always bring you to the content, and there's also a button here for videos and visual aids. If, for example, you just want to see the step-by-step instructions, or if you needed to print out the visual aids for your reference. Thank you, and we hope you enjoy this online Canvas course.